Welcome back everybody to Caribbean Kitchen with Siani. Welcome to my older subscribers. Welcome to my new subscribers. For those of you who have not yet subscribed, the word subscribe is written at the bottom left of this video. So go ahead and press it. Okay, thank you. Today I will be making plantain porridge. The things that we are going to need to make the porridge are the blender, a pot, a whisk, a knife, green plantain, spices including salt, vanilla, nutmeg, and cinnamon, sugar, coconut milk, this is natural coconut milk, and whole milk. This is a medium flame, and over this flame you're going to place a pot with 1.5 cups coconut milk, and then you are going to add the cinnamon, the salt, and the nutmeg and bring it to a boil. While the coconut milk is getting ready to boil, we are going to prepare the plantain. In preparing the plantain, we're going to need a cutting board and plastic wrap. We are going to use the plastic wrap to wrap the cutting board to prevent the stain from the plantain on the cutting board. So let's go ahead and wrap the cutting board. Now that we have wrapped the cutting board, we are going to prepare the plantain. This is the plantain. We are going to cut off the top. Then we are also going to cut off the bottom. And then we are going to make an horizontal line at one of the edges. And then we peel. After peeling the plantain, we are going to cut it in two horizontally, and then we are going to slice it diagonally. We are doing this to prevent the big chunks in the blender. If you are able to cut the plantain smaller, feel free to do so, as it will blend faster. And now we are ready for blending. Let's put 1.5 cup coconut milk in the blender. Then we are going to add the plantain, and then we will blend. By now, the coconut milk should be boiling, and if your mixture is looking like this, then it is time to put it in the pot. As soon as you put the blended plantain in the pot, ensure that you use the whisk to stir the mixture to prevent lumps. Let us continue to stir the mixture until about 3 to 5 minutes to continue to prevent lumps. Afterwards, the porridge will continue to cook under medium heat for 30 minutes. As you can see, it has gotten thicker and it is at the right consistency. The porridge is finished cooking, and now the remaining ingredients will be added. This is the sugar. I'm going to add the sugar. Now we are incorporating the sugar in the plantain porridge. Let's add the vanilla. Let's add the milk, and then we're going to incorporate it in the porridge. I will be serving this porridge with crackers. Some people love to have it with bread. I will also do a garnish of morning breakfast, that is brown sugar mixed with vanilla, just to sprinkle over the top of the porridge. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time from Caribbean Kitchen with Siani.